Yo guys, what's up? This is Commando again. I heard that you could actually, with a USB port type thing, you can download things on the computer and basically make it like a custom map download or a mod or something to the Xbox. Since I'm basically still a noob, if you have some really good maps that you don't really want to use anymore, like on the computer, tell me and post them in the comments or on my profile or anything, and maybe leave a video response on how to put them on the Xbox or something, because I'm still a little bit, I'm 50-50 on how to do it. But yeah, do that and I'll be really thankful if you can do that. That'd be great. Commando signing off.